Think all engine oils are good for your engine? Not even close. Some oils might seem fine on the shelf, but under the hood, they're doing real damage. Yep, the wrong oil can wear out your engine faster and cost you big bucks in repairs. Today, I'm breaking down the types of engine oils you should never use. Stick around because in the end, I'll show you the right alternatives that protect your engine, boost performance, and save you money in the long run. Let's get started. Number 1. Mixing synthetic and conventional oils. Think mixing synthetic and conventional oil will damage your engine? That's just a myth. Many drivers believe once you pick one, you're stuck with it forever, but that's not true. Modern engine oils are made to be compatible, and mixing them won't harm your engine or ruin the oil. While it's always best to stick with what your car manual recommends, switching between the two or even blending them in a pinch won't cause any serious issues. Number 2. Engine oil with high detergents and additives. More additives and detergents don't mean more protection. A lot of drivers think tossing in extra chemicals will boost power, improve fuel economy, or extend engine life, but that's not how it works. Today's motor oils already come with a finely tuned mix of detergents, anti-wear agents, and stabilizers. That formula is engineered for balance. Adding more, it can do the opposite. Thicken the oil, mess with its flow, or even break down the protective compounds in synthetic oils. Instead of better performance, you get sludge, clogs, and extra engine wear. Unless a professional recommends it for a specific issue, like an old engine burning oil, skip the add-ons. Number 3. Low quality blend. Some oils break down fast when your engine gets hot. When your engine gets hot, and it will, a low-quality oil with poor oxidation stability starts to break down fast. That means it burns off quicker, gets thicker, and loses its ability to protect your engine. The result? Increased oil consumption, reduced efficiency, and a higher risk of mechanical damage. Engines that run hard need oil that can take the heat without falling apart. Number 4. Engine oil with high viscosity. Thicker oil might sound tougher, but that's not how engine protection works. A lot of folks think it's better for older engines or noisy parts, but the truth is oil isn't about thick or thin, it's about using the right viscosity for your engine. Too thick, it moves slower, especially in cold weather, and may not reach key engine parts in time. Too thin, it could break down under heat and leave your engine vulnerable. Modern engines are built with tight spaces and need oil that flows just right. Using the wrong thickness doesn't just hurt performance, it can shorten oil life, reduce fuel efficiency, and burn more gas. More gas used means more emissions and a bigger carbon footprint every mile you drive. So if you're trying to stretch your mileage and protect the planet and your engine, don't go thick just for the sake of it. Still confused about which engine oil is right for you? Follow us till the end as we will share the best oil choices that will not only protect your engine but will give you extra miles too. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This helps me bring more honest car advice. Coming back, number 5. Avoid milky engine oil. Ever checked your oil dipstick and noticed the oil looks dark, and you thought that it is time for a change? Not so fast. Dark oil doesn't mean it's bad. It means it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's picking up dirt, soot, and fuel residue to keep your engine clean and running smoothly. That deep color? It's proof the oil is working hard. The real danger signs? Oil that's milky, foamy, gritty, smells burnt, or turns into syrup. Those are the warning signs you should never ignore. Today's high-quality oils are built to last, packed with additives that keep them effective even when they look dirty. So stop relying on color, because that will just waste your money for no reason. Number 6. Wrong type of engine oil. Using the wrong motor oil is one of the fastest ways to ruin your engine. This isn't guesswork. Your engine is engineered to run on a specific type of oil, and anything outside that spec can cause serious problems. We're talking reduced efficiency, increased emissions, and yes, avoided warranty. That label on your oil cap and the specs in your owner's manual, they're there for a reason. Ignoring them means risking long-term damage and expensive repairs. Now, here are the facts you should consider when choosing the right engine oil for your car. Number 1. Go for synthetic motor oil. Synthetic oil is the smart choice. It's built with advanced chemistry that reduces friction, protects better at high and low temperatures, and keeps everything running like clockwork. Unlike regular oils, synthetic doesn't break down as quickly, so your engine stays cleaner, runs cooler, and works more efficiently. Better protection means less wear and tear, fewer repairs, and real savings over time. If you're looking for long-term performance and fuel efficiency, synthetic oil is a no-brainer. Number 2. Use multi-grade motor oil. Hot summer or freezing winter, multi-grade oils get your engine covered. These oils are designed to flow well in cold starts and stay stable when the engine heats up. That means your engine gets reliable protection no matter the season or temperature. No need to switch oils when the weather changes. Multi-grade oil keeps things running smoothly all year long. For drivers dealing with extreme heat or cold, it's one of the best choices out there. Number 3. Pick high-quality oil with strong filtration. Want a cleaner, longer-lasting engine? It starts with better filtration. High-quality motor oils are made to trap dirt, metal particles, and sludge before they can mess up your engine. That means fewer clogs, less wear, and a smoother ride every time you start the ignition. Oils with advanced filtration don't just protect your engine, they help it run stronger and stay cleaner for longer. It's a smart way to cut down on repairs and keep your engine healthy mile after mile. Number 4. Use fuel-efficient motor oil. Want better mileage and fewer stops at the pump? Fuel-efficient motor oils are designed to reduce friction, helping your engine run smoother and burn less gas. That means more savings for you and fewer emissions for the planet. It's a smart choice for both your wallet and the environment. Number 5. Choose heat-resistant motor oils. Engines get hot, really hot, and not all oils can take the heat. That's why oils with enhanced oxidation resistance are a game changer. They're built to handle high temperatures without breaking down or thickening up. Even under pressure, these oils keep their flow, protect engine parts, and maintain smooth performance. So if you want oil that lasts longer, protects better, and keeps your engine running strong in tough conditions, this is the kind to trust. Number 6. Choose extended mileage motor oil. They're specially engineered to last longer without losing performance, giving your engine strong protection over more miles. That means fewer trips to the shop, less money spent, and more time on the road. With extended drain intervals, you keep your engine running reliably without the constant maintenance. Number 7. Use OEM-approved motor oil. Your car isn't a one-size-fits-all machine, and your oil shouldn't be either. OEM-approved motor oils are tested and approved by your vehicle's manufacturer to match exactly what your engine needs. They're built for perfect compatibility, better protection, and top-notch performance. Using anything else, you're risking poor lubrication, lower efficiency, and potential long-term damage. Stick with the oil your car was designed for. It's the easiest way to keep things running right. Still confused by the numbers on an oil bottle? Let's break it down. Those numbers on the motor oil bottle, they tell you how thick or thin the oil is, aka viscosity. Think of it like this: water flows fast, low viscosity. Honey moves slow, high viscosity. Motor oil works the same way, and it changes with temperature. Here's the deal: the first number, like 0W or 5W, shows how well the oil flows in cold weather. Lower is better for winter. The second number, like 30 or 40, tells you how thick the oil stays when the engine gets hot. Higher means more protection under heat. So 5W30? Great for cold starts and solid protection when the engine's running hot. Need help picking the right one? Check the oil cap. Many cars list the grade right on top. Flip through the owner's manual, it's all in there. Ask a pro, dealers and parts stores can pull up the exact match for your car. Use repair guides, tools like Haynes or ALLDATA give you step-by-step help. The right oil grade keeps your engine smooth, efficient, and protected year-round. Following these car maintenance tips won't take much of your time, but using the right oil keeps your engine running longer and saves you from costly repairs down the road. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.